With a single touch, we immerse ourselves in the world of technology. Such a simple action empowers us to work, communicate, and even entertain ourselves. We live in a visual society where touch-sensitive screens are seamlessly integrated into almost every step of our daily lives. Every touchscreen is a device consisting of numerous layers, including transparent conductive electrodes. The current market is dominated by expensive and fragile electrodes made of indium tin oxide, deriving from the rare metal indium. It results in a high cost and brittle technology, using excessive layers, such as a protective cover and bonding layer. But our aim is to redesign it. Our innovation allows us to produce invisible electrodes by combining precision laser writing with electroless copper plating. We call it Selective Surface Activation Induced by Laser, or SSAIL for short. SSAIL enables the touch-sensitive technology to be applied to almost any transparent material, be it glass, fused silica, PET, ceramics, or engineering polymers. And due to its increased thermocycle resistance, touchscreens can be used in a broad range of consumer and industrial use cases. SSAIL uses easily accessible materials, therefore it's almost 30 times more cost-effective than ITO. The result is a functional layer that's 99% transparent and invisible to the eye, with a manufacturing cost less than €2 per square meter. This is the future of touchscreens. Proudly innovated in Lithuania.